Hello guys and welcome back. So today I created this soft pink dewy makeup look. So let's get started. So first I'm using this MAC Prep+Prime, so it will moisturize my skin as well as at the same time it will work as a primer as well. Now I'm gonna prep my lips for this Lanyard sleeping mask. I'm using Color Amino Skin Radiant Foundation and I'm mixing it with Color Cellular Dry Oil. I'm taking this much of foundation and mixing 2 drops of oil in it. This is much. I'm gonna apply it with this beauty blender from PAC. Now I'm gonna conceal my under eyes with this palette from Makeup Studio. Now I'm using this stick contour from Nykaa. So because we are doing dewy makeup look, so I'm not using powder contour, instead I'm using this stick contour. As you can see, I'm making 3. And I'm using this beauty blender to blend it. Now I'm using this lip and cheek tint from Nykaa. Now moving on to the eyes, I'm using this brow pencil. So first I'm going to comb my brows with this pony. And then I'll outline my eyebrows. I'm using this Makeup Revolution palette. I'm using this color right here. Now I'm gonna finish my eyes and I'm curling my lashes with this alcohol. I'm holding it for 30 seconds. Using this DIORSHOW Plump and Volume Mascara. Now I'm using this liquid illuminator from NYX. Now to finish my look, I'm using this Color Bar Lip Definer in the shade Burnt Pink. Now I'm using this Faces Canada Ultimate Pro HD. To set my base, I'm using this MAC Prep+Prime. So this was the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Bye.